Ethereum value equivalent to $1994 a coin. The present reach. $1,968, $1,994. The earlier day close. $1,980. The change was plus 14, plus 0.71%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at $1,816. Most extreme cost $2,293, least cost $1,740. The normal for the month $1,998. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,143, change for November 18.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. To start with cost at $2,143. Greatest cost $2,579, least cost $1,977. The normal for the month $2,254. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,317, change for December 8.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at $2,317. Most extreme cost $2,694, least cost $2,317. The normal for the month $2,462. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,518, change for January 8.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. To start with cost at $2,518. Greatest cost $2,736, least cost $2,378. The normal for the month $2,547. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,557, change for February 1.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $2,557. Most extreme cost $2,557, least cost $2,108. The normal for the month $2,372. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,267, change for spring 11.3%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $2,267. Greatest cost $2,328, least cost $2,024. The normal for the month $2,199. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,176, change for April 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $2,176. Greatest cost $2,402, least cost $2,088. The normal for the month $2,228. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,245, change for May 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. In the first place cost at $2,245. Greatest cost $2,406, least cost $2,092. The normal for the month $2,248. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,249, change for June 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at $2,249. Most extreme cost $2,471, least cost $2,147. The normal for the month $2,294. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,309, change for July 2.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Before all else cost at $2,309. Most extreme cost $2,811, least cost $2,309. The normal for the month $2,514. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,627, change for August 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $2,627. Greatest cost $2,843, least cost $2,471. The normal for the month $2,650. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,657, change for September 1.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. To start with, cost at $26.57. Most extreme cost $3,298, least cost $2,657. The normal for the month $2,924. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,082, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $30.82. Greatest cost $3,082, least cost $2,652. The normal for the month $2,917. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,852, change for November 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at $14.33. Greatest cost $1,778, least cost $1,433. The normal for the month $1,577. Eth to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Before all else, cost at $16.62. Most extreme cost $1,662, least cost $1,350. The normal for the month $1,532. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,452, change for February 12.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $14.52. Most extreme cost $1,802, least cost $1,452. The normal for the month $1,598. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,684, change for spring 16.0%. Eth to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at $16.84. Greatest cost $2,002, least cost $1,684. The normal for the month $1,810. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,871, change for April 11.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2026. First and foremost, cost at $18.71. Greatest cost $1,871, least cost $1,463. The normal for the month $1,695. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,573, change for May 15.9%. Eth to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. Before all else, cost at $15.73. Most extreme cost $1,641, least cost $1,427. The normal for the month $1,544. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,534, change for June 2.5%. Ethereum